What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a little bit behind on videos, like about a year behind, but I'm going to catch you guys up over the next couple weeks. So that is why the dates are of last year, but I'm going to bring you guys all up to date. As you see the videos, you'll understand why I've been so busy. So let's get to the video. What's going on, guys? So I got something. Let me show you. Super 73 R. It's not the RX, so it doesn't have the adjustable suspension. I think I can get the cartridges for that. It doesn't have the standard headlight. It does have a headlight though. Has the big battery. Has these super hideous fenders, which I'm about to take off. And it does not have the 10-speed rear sprocket, so all that's going to change. But it has full suspension. It's already pretty quick. I already kind of rode it really quickly when I checked it out. It's pretty beat up. It's got scratches on the pedals and then a couple little scuffs on there. And this is the only bummer part, is it's got the masters a little bit here. Needs new ODI grips. It's got this expensive blur boundary seat, which is hideous, so I'm gonna change that. Other than that, I mean, I got a great deal. I got rid of the one wheel because I barely ride it. It has 200 miles over like 2 years. It was a one wheel XR. I sold it for 1,600 bucks. Paid $400 more for this. This is $3,200 completely stock. Now it does have a seat, which I think is $100 to $200. It has pegs, which I don't think are stock. It's got the stupid fenders. It's got the ugly phone mount. But yeah, so it's got a few things. It's got that center bag thing that works, but it's hideous. So yeah, this thing's gonna get completely changed. But let me show you some up close and personal of it right now. Pretty cool. I'm gonna take these fenders off really quick because they are hideous and ugly and no go. But I'm gonna take a couple quick pictures and then probably go take it for a ride. I'm gonna stick around here and take it for a ride. We're gonna take it somewhere and go for a ride. Haven't decided yet. Drop in the comments what you guys think. What colors should I do to change this thing up? I have a few ideas. I think it'll probably be bright because it's a bicycle. I want to stand out a bit, make sure I'm seen. So neon yellow, maybe white. I don't know. Drop a comment. Should I do it just like the 300? Do purple frame? Just thinking about that. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna have the seat redone, and I'll probably have the stitching done just like this to match. At least in this area. I think I'm going to do the seat almost exactly like that, but on here. So like that part will be here, and I think he might have enough left over, and then I'll do just like an area here. I'm going to find out where I sit, so then it'll have like a separate area. Maybe some like gripper material back here so I can stand on it and do wheelies. Hopefully it'll do wheelies. I'm currently charging it. It's got 85%. That's actually pretty fast because I think it said 63. Maybe it said 83. I don't know. Give me this janky phone charger or phone mount. Probably throw that away. sorry I didn't film an ender, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be catching you guys up. So drop a comment below. Let me know what I should be doing to the Super 73. Also check pmprintlab.com. There's a bunch of Super 73 products on the website. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.